I just wanted to add, because I'm got the live stream bug now, there's a funny smell in the air as well. I don't know if anyone else is getting it. Perhaps my friends would comment on it. Some of my weather friends. It's kind of a dry, kind of burnt toast kind of smell, just wafting through the air every now and again. See how dark it is over there. That's on the light side. The orangey yellow colour is kind of fading now, and it's still a bit kind of dull yellow, but not as bad as it was. But I'm just getting a whiff of a funny smell in the air, and I did hear reports of that over the weekend. There was something in the either the Island Echo or the Isle of Wight County Press, if you want to look it up, but could just be someone in the street burnt their toast, I suppose, or something else. Dun, dun, dun. Right. There's one of my neighbours there, look. Perhaps he's been cooking toast. Right, I'm going. I need coffee and I need to go and burn some toast of my own. So, nice to see you, Shaman. Thanks for checking in. Stay in touch, won't you? Give my love to the fam. And see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.